Hi, I'm Mark Puett. I've been with REMAX for 4 years. I'm a Cheyenne native. My family actually homesteaded in Wyoming in the early 1900s. I've been with a couple of different companies, and REMAX has given me the tools that I need to be successful, and also the leadership here is awesome in that they support the local community and both the charities and also other businesses, and that's very unique in the businesses that I've worked in. The one thing I really like here at REMAX is the group of people that I get to work with. The people both in the office and then also the real estate agents are really the best people I've ever worked with. You know, on a integrity level, on caring for their clients, and just how hard they work. And we really are led to that by Steve and Stephanie and how they give us the tools that we need to be able to be successful. I got into real estate because actually the real estate agent that I worked with down in Texas suggested that I pursue real estate because I really had a passion for it and a knack for it. And so that was 14 years ago, and here I am. You know, I'm still enjoying it, and I happen to be with the best company in Cheyenne, I believe.